Again, our focus here is going to be on optimizing the speed of the initial page load. And there's two significant factors that come into play with this that are under our control, and then a number of other factors that aren't, but that we should be aware of. The two things that are under our control are the number of files that are required for the website to load, and second, the size of those files. So let's look at DevTools here under the Network tab to get a sense of how long our site took to load and why. So if I make this full screen, we can get a better picture here. Each one of these lines is a file that is downloaded from our server by the browser. Total, it looks like there were 18 requests. Now you should be able to recognize most of these. For example, our slideshow image is here, the font that we created is here, Font Awesome is here, our logo, several JavaScript files for our polyfills and our sliders, our CSS files that came with some of our plugins like Select Eyes and Flex Slider, also our own styles.css file. And then up here at the top we have original slash, which is just the name that it's giving to our index.html file. If we look at the address bar here, it's slash instead of index.html. So that's just the name that it's giving right here. Each one of these files has a file size. So our index.html file is about 12 kilobytes. Our jQuery file is significantly bigger by about 2,000%, weighing in at 242 kilobytes. And all of these added up together amounts to this number down here. It says 618 kilobytes transferred. So that's about half of a megabyte.